Gold prices continue their volatile ride. So, John, last week you said that there was no real reason for gold prices to go higher. Since then, they're up just about 0.5%, but we did hit an intraday high of 1923. Prices seem to be fluctuating in this wide range here. Any reason to think this won't continue?
Unfortunately, it looks like it's set to continue, and it's really spooking a lot of small retail investors when you see, $100 declines in the span of one day, as we had earlier this week, followed by, $30, $40 rebounds. So the disorientation among the people who are looking at it as a stable or safe haven is becoming manifest. Certainly, traders love it. I mean,
Well, I
there's
was
a
going
lot.
to say, John, I mean, couldn't you argue that those who wanted it as a safe haven are already in the market, but that these big price movements are actually just big traders getting in and getting out of the market?
Yes, one would hope so, but the retail crowd is generally very much of a trend-following type of flock, and they tend to, buy the headlines, of course.
So what ends this volatility in gold? I mean, can we really expect anything from President Obama's speech tonight? Can we really expect anything from central banks? What ends this?
Well, it's at least on the central bank front, it seems that pretty much everyone's taking this wait and see attitude. So a shift in sentiment might have to come in order to calm nerves and to do away with the volatility. I'm not sure it'll come from any central bank pronouncement or perhaps from Mr. Obama's speech, which, although jobs supportive, still has a long way to go before it becomes reality.
And then last question, with these big volatility swings, can we expect any more margin hikes from exchanges? We saw one this week from the Shanghai Gold Exchange. And what will that do to the retail investor and the price?
Well, exactly. I mean, as of tomorrow, the Shanghai Exchange goes into higher margin requirements. If, in fact, you continue to see on this side of the ocean the type of moves we've seen here, for the last 2 or 3 weeks, I wouldn't be surprised if the CME did enact further hikes.
The last time it did, I mean, gold did nothing. It probably declined for about 2 days, and then it rebounded.
Exactly. I mean, the force is with us, as they say on the bull side, and it would take concerted hikes or series of hikes in order to really frustrate them and to start looking at perhaps exiting out of the niche that becomes too expensive to participate in. I wouldn't be surprised if we continue to see this type of volatility in the markets.
All right, thanks, John. I really appreciate it. Name of the game for gold is volatility, so fasten your seatbelts, everybody.